In this video, I will show how to rewrite URL. Visit this site and click on URL rewriting tool. Click on it. Now enter a URL. Then click on submit. So you will see this alert URL entered doesn't seem to be a dynamic URL. So try again and find out a dynamic URL. You want to know what's so here is the example. You can enter the dynamic URL here and you can write it. So I will show you this example and submit it. So here you will see generated URL in this one and example URLs in this one. This is the type 2 directory type URL. So this way you can rewrite URL. Thanks for watching.